guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Silhouette Cameo video. Today we're actually making a card. This is known as a center panel card, if you can see that there. Very easy to make. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Silhouette Studio software. To get to our design, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on where it says Library. This will bring up all of my files. On the left hand side, I created folders. I'm going to go to the one I labeled videos to find the project we're making, which is this card here. This is a center panel step card. It is by Lori Whitlock. The design ID number is 39775. To bring that to our work area, just simply double click on the image here and you will see it here. It does come in all grouped together, as you can see. So I'm going to right click on it and choose Ungroup. Now before you move the card, because you can see the card is not grouped together, if I click on pieces, it just highlights that piece. You want to make sure you come back over the card and highlight everything. Move this little piece out of the way. Highlight the entire card, right click on that and choose Group. So now when I move that piece, it's all going to move with me. So this is the card base. These pieces here are for the paper. So we can set those aside. And this piece is our shadow layer. And this piece is white. Now for these pieces here, if I go back up to show you that image again, you'll see our paper here. I'm going to go ahead and not cut that out with a Cameo. I'm just going to use my trimmer to cut that out to save some time. So this piece, if I have it selected, you can see it's 3 1/4 by 4. So I can delete that piece. And then these two pieces here, they are 3/4 by 3. And again, I'll just use my trimmer to cut those pieces out. So the first thing I'll cut out is my card base. So I'm going to move these out of my way, off my mat. So I'll send the card base to the machine, cut that piece out, come back, move this off my mat. Then the bigger of the two pieces here, I'm going to have the bigger one be the same color cardstock as my base of the card, and then I'll put a piece of white over there. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out to go to the table, and we'll put the card together. Alright guys, we are back. Our pieces are cut out, and like I said, I chose to just cut these out on my own with my trimmer. That way, because I was using directional paper, I just want to take our card. We have that center square mark. Give that a little squish. Then we have, you look at the bottom, we have this one. That's going to go in like that. It kind of folds itself, really. Alright, so there we go. Okay, so that's the base of the card. Now we're going to take our papers. And this one I cut to be 3 1/4 by 3. This is just paper that I had. It's like a really cheap paper from Walmart. And these two pieces here, these are 3/4 inch by 3. I'm actually going to open it up there. I think I cut that one a little bit crooked. Right, I definitely did cut that crooked. Y'all see that? This is the wrong paper for that one. Thought I had it. Hang on, let me go find that paper. Alright, I'm back. It was in my trash can. That's a great place for it, isn't it? Alright, so again, 3/4 by 3 are these pieces here. And then we have the one that goes across. This is 3/4 inch by 5 1/4. Okay, let me get rid of the extra glue there. Alright, so there's the card. Okay, just like that. Now we have this piece here. Going to glue that to the front. Right in the middle. Alright, now you can stamp whatever you want on here. I'm going to use one of May's stamps called Feathers. I'm using this large bird right there. And I believe it's on my block. Yep. And I'm using Cajun Craze ink, which is the same color as my cardstock. Alright. So I'm going to ink my bird up. Okay, and then I also have the greeting that I want to ink up as well. And this just says you are a blessing. I'm going to put that on the bottom, kind of on an angle a little bit. Like that. Oops, I didn't do a great job. Let's flip it over again. Alright, and re-ink the bird. Try again. Alright, and let's grab our greeting again. We're going to stamp that. Much better that time, although I got a little bit of something in there. Alright, so it's going to close the ink pad, and we're going to grab some foam squares on the back of this guy. And I just used 4. I thought 4 was plenty. Okay, give them a squish. Take the backing off, and that quickly our card is done. Now if you want to create a piece for the inside for a greeting, you certainly could. I'd probably make that piece be 3 1/4 inches wide by 4. It'll fit in there nicely. Okay, and that's going to go on top of that. Okay, got a cute little card and very easy to make as well. So there's that one, and then there's this one here. Now guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.